the only guide you need for understanding Commercio.network's API on Commercio.app. We are doing daily tutorials, trying our best to simplify a complex subject like blockchain. It's not easy. If you like what we are doing, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support means the world to us and helps us to continue creating the blockchain videos you love. Commercio.network is a blockchain-based platform that offers scalable solutions and digital transformation services for businesses. With its API on Commercio.app, it has become a game-changer in the world of blockchain. The Commercio.network scalable solutions and services are designed to help businesses achieve faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions. In this tutorial, we will be discussing how to use Commercio.network's API on Commercio.app. Commercio.network's API on Commercio.app are designed to help businesses achieve faster and more secure transactions. The platform offers several affordable membership options. The Commercio.network blockchain is built on the Cosmos SDK and offers fast and reliable transactions. The Commercio.network API on Commercio.app enable developers to build scalable blockchain applications. Commercio.network's API on Commercio.app services are designed to provide businesses with secure and efficient digital transformation tool chest. How to use Commercio.network's API on Commercio.app. It's super simple. 1. Sign up for a Commercio.app account and log in. 2. Obtain your API key from the Commercio.app dashboard. 3. Choose the Commercio.network API endpoint you want to use. Commercio.network offers several APIs, including the API for sending and receiving documents through the Commercio.network blockchain. 4. Use your API key to make API calls to the Commercio.network API endpoint of your choice. You can use any programming language or tool that can make HTTP requests to send data and receive responses. 5. Parse the response data returned from the API call and use it in your application as needed. Yes. It's that easy. Thank you for watching. Get in touch with us or sign up on Commercio.app.